Assalamu alaikum everyone, hope you all are doing well and having a wonderful day. And in this video I'm going to solve a TryHackMe challenge, which is Burp Suite Repeater. This is an info level challenge, so let's get started. Now there are two options or two machines. One is attacker machines and another one is a lab machine. So I need to start the lab machine, but I can choose either I am using attacker box, or I want to use my own machine. So I'm more comfortable with my own machine, so I'm going to use my own machine and using OpenVPN, so I can just start the lab machine. So now let's start the challenge. So this is task 1, introduction. Okay, so there is no answer needed on the task 1, so you can just complete that. Now task 2, what is repeater? Okay, so I completely read the part. Now the question is, which section give us a more intuitive control over our repeater? So it's the inspector. Now task 3, basic usage. Okay, so I read this part, which is task 3, and the question is, which view will populate when sending a request from the proxy module to repeater? I think it's a request. Yes, it is request. Now this is task 4, message analyze task toolbar, and task 4 question is, which options allow us to visualize the page as it would appear in a web browser? It is pretty. Sorry, render. Okay, that's the one. Now task 5, inspector. So the task 5 inspector question is, which section in inspector is specific to post request? I think it's body parameter. Yes, it is. And now it's time for the practical example. Okay, there is a flag. Okay, so to solve the challenge, task 6 challenge, I need to open my Burp suite. Okay, so the proxy is working and the Burp is working. Now I need to first visit the machine, and this is the this is a simple web page. Now I need to capture the request, so for that I am going to turn on my intercept and hit reload. This will capture a request, and I'm going to right click and send it to the repeater. Turn off my intercept, then go back to the repeater. Here I can send the request and I can try to render the page, and it will render the web page. Okay, so our product, okay. Now what we need to do is, using inspector manually, add a header called flag authorized true. So there is no flag authorized header. We need to add that. You can just copy the name, paste it here, and the value is true. If I hit send, okay, so I need to put an extra line, and after that this is the header, which is flag authorized, the value is true. Now where is the flag? I need to find it. So do I need to put a header like a little bit upper, like here? Yeah, so this is the flag, and I need to put the header between the original headers, and I get the flag, and I submit it, and that's the flag. And there is another challenge, which is in the product page. So I can just click get product, and it will open the product page, and I can see any of the product, and there is one product 1. I can go with 5, I can go with 6 for not found, 0, okay. So I need to like go negative index, not multiply, negative index. If I go to the negative index, man, this will return an internal server error and give us the flag. Extra mile challenge. There is another challenge. Okay, so the final challenge is we need to go to the about, and there are some people which if I click on that, the URL change, and it says 1, then I can go 2 as well, I can go 3, and as well as how many people are there, I can 6, so I can go maximum 6. If I go 7, it will again throw 500 internal error. So now let's capture this 500 internal error request and send it to the repeater, turn off intercept. If I hit, it will return 500 internal server error. So I can like, this is a normal request, and in this section it the content, or those if you read it properly, you can find that this endpoint have a SQL vulnerability. We can confirm that by like adding a quotation mark and hit send, and it throws an 500 internal server error. That means there is a SQL injection vulnerability. And another one, confirmation is this is a SQL query, as you can see. So how can we resolve this query? Minus plus, I guess. This will, no, not this one. Okay, so this is the like error part where I can print database query. Now after confirming, this is the output we see on here. Now we need to add some SQL query to retrieve the flag. So for this we need to know some SQL query, which is I don't know, so I can just copy the payload and paste it here, and if I hit send, it will give us the flag. I can give the flag, and this is the correct flag, and the last one is conclusion, and we solve the lab. So yeah, that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Assalamu alaikum.